morning. How are you doing? I'm doing so great today. On today's video, I would like us to go on searching the keywords on Amazon KDP on the campaign. Many people will say use this app or use this platform, and I'm doing this for the beginners, people who don't have the budget but want to make money online by selling books on Amazon KDP. How do we search for the keywords for any book? Let's say I'm creating a campaign. I come here to create another campaign. I was still already creating the campaigns here. So I can come here, create another campaign. You go to campaign manager first, then you go to create campaign. After you logged in on your Amazon KDP account on the dashboard, first you have to go through the marketing, click the marketing, then you go to create you go to campaigns, then create a new campaigns. Let's wait for this. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to search for the keywords because the keywords are the ones who helps our books to be shown clearly to the buyers. And the Amazon KDP have billions of the buyers. If you come here, you see it says choose your campaign type. It's because we've got a sponsored product. I'm in United States. If you click here, you'll see other countries, but I'm in United States. That's why I'm doing my campaigns on. Then we've got sponsored brands, display, video, and audio. So please go to sponsored product and click where it's written create campaign. After clicking it, it will show you something like this: new campaign, add format, custom text, add custom text or to your ad to give customers a glimpse of the book, or standard ad. We usually go to standard ad, choose this option to advertise your product without custom text, and we go to a group name, add group name. Suppose I want to search a book. These are my books here. So suppose I want which book, let me check which book. Suppose I want to do the book that I'm going to do it live. So let me go straight to that book. I'll show you there are many books here, but there is a specific book I'm going to do the campaign for. If I'm not wrong, it's here. So let me scroll down and check the book I want to. If I'm right, I'm trying to search the book. Da-da-da. Let's say this book. You see here is ebook. I don't usually do the campaigns for ebook because you can see it's only 99 cents. So Amazon is going to take 35 cents and I've got my 35 cents. So I can't, because if I say click with $1, then the book is going to give me 35 cents. It doesn't make sense. I usually advertise paperback most of the time, paperback and hardcover. Let's go for paperback on this book. You just click where it's written add, it just comes this side, as you can see. And after coming this side, I'm going to highlight the name of the book. I highlight it. This is it. Then I right click, copy, and paste that to here. You see, we pasted the name of the book, then the ASIN number, because the ebook ASIN, paperback, and hardcover give us. So I highlight as in number, this as a number, right click copy, then paste it here, paste it here to differentiate, and highlight the whole of these again, copy, right click copy, and I'm going to paste it where is written campaign name down there, scroll down there, campaign name. This is very important because it will tell you which campaign is performing well and the one which is not performing well. Yes, you can see here. Yeah. Then we go up again. Now is automatic campaign and manual campaign. Since I want um, to search for the keywords, I go for manual campaign. If I go to automatic, I'm saying Amazon search for the relevant keywords for my campaign, for my book. But now I want to see the suggestion the Amazon will give me for that particular book. Now here, keyword targeting, we've got the broad, the phrase, and the exact. Suppose I want the broad now. I don't have to put all of these. I can this click this, remove this, and be left with only broad. If you want to do phrase, you will do this and put the phrase. If you want exact, don't put all of them at the same time because you want to see the other ones performing, and put only 5 keywords in one uh, ad group. So now this is the suggestion. Meta mastery, mystery book, meta mystery books, crime book. Let's see the name of the book, the recursive audit protocol for paging corruption. Is it crime book? Yes. Meaning this can appear under crime book. Little girl lost, no. Paperback fiction. Some are not relevant. You have to check for the relevant keywords here. Suppose like this one, murder mystery, I would say is good. Then mystery books, yeah, crime book. Now we put 3 words already, keywords, as you can see here. Let's scroll down for two more relevant keyword protocol. We've got a protocol on our keyword. Then let's search for the other one, the last one. We are searching for the relevant keywords. Relevant. Like this one, James Elro. How does it go with our book? Nothing. Meaning this keyword can not sell. It's the crime book. The da, 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 da. It's the crime book. Police, whatever, detective, you see. Suppose now you want to enter your own keyword. You can say police. These are also the keywords it gives. Police badge, police fight, police car, uh, detective. Let's see again the keywords it shows. Police detective, police gives, gear, badge, book, notebook, and so on, so on. Let's say crime, Does it give us the keywords? Detective crime. Let's see. Detective crime books. Detective crime book bestseller. Detective crime. Mm-hmm. Thriller book. I think this one is good. Detective crime scene tape, detective crime scene, detective crime board, detective crime novel. Yeah, this one and mhm, detective crime. You can say detective crime novels. I think this one also can do better. Now we have five keywords here, and they are very expensive as you can see. Let me write them down on my book so I don't repeat because I'm going to make it. Mm. Detective, crime novel, novels, broad, protocol, broad, crime book, crime books, broad, mystery books, then mirror, mystery. Yeah. Yeah. Then here, it suggests that these keywords you can run them from 139 to 1.04 to 1.74. It is too expensive because I'm going to check which keyword is working very well. So you have to change here. I can make it 35 and save because I'm going to test. You always go to test and see which keyword is working. Then it will increase as time goes. You understand what I'm saying? Because you can't risk by putting $5 because you are not even aware which keyword will perform good. We are going to learn. So now I change them to 35 cent, 30 cent, 35 cent, 30 cent, 36 cent. As you can see, only five keywords. Then now I go here where it's written the campaign bidding strategy. I go to, for the first time, I can go to down only to save, but or fixed, but or up and down. But up and down is going to waste my money. Let me now go to down only. If the keywords are not performing very well within 2 weeks, then I'll go to fixed. Then go up and down because I want to save as much as I can. So here I don't put any percentage because it's my first time to learn which keyword is performing well. And here is the campaign name. It starts here on the 25th May 2026. No end date. If I don't want to continue this campaign, I can just pause it. And here I can put that suggested daily budget as 450 USD because it's not a problem. It's not going to spend all of it. Which countries only? I don't click. If you need to do this campaign in other countries, you just click. But now I'm only doing it for United States, as you can see. Then I'm ready to launch my campaign. Now you can say change your bid on a schedule, like increase bids for high traffic days. No, I don't because I'm still learning which campaign is working, which keyword is performing well. Then I say launch. This is it. How to search for the keywords and implementing them, putting them into practice. And I will let them, as you can see, congratulations, your campaign launches successfully. It shows that the art group is this the recursive audit, protocol for purging corruption, as in number, da, da, da. Then the vault for 45 cent. I can even go and change this 45 if I think it's too expensive. Then advertising product is one. You don't have to put many products because you want to see that campaign performing very well. Only five keywords, as you can see. Negative words, no, not yet, because I'm going to learn which campaign is working very well. If I want to create another campaign, I just click here, create another campaign. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, share, and click the notification bell so you know whenever I upload new videos. Let's meet again next time. We make money on Amazon KDP selling the books day. Welcome.